first laid eyes on you and I heard your heartbeat too. Oh, I never knew I could witness an angel so beautiful. From the very moment you arrived, I felt something new inside.
It's Firecracker and Deveniece, you guys. And we are about to prank the kids, you guys. We're about to do the Firecracker prank on them. It's gonna like someone shot. They're all in their rooms right now.
And I put it in this bowl. And we're about to make this shit cook. We're ready to see the reaction. They don't know that we're doing this.
So if you're starting to watch this video, make sure you guys give this video a fat thumbs up right away. Make sure you guys watch this video all the way through because you guys want to see the kids' reaction because we're just so sad parents.
I had a whole nother one of this too. I was gonna prank you.
I would have shot you and she would have died.
I was gonna jump on the floor.
She and shit. Well guys, make sure you guys stick around for this prank and we will be back.
Bucky, come here. Hurry up. Come here.
That was a firework. Where was that? That was the funniest
Look at her
thing.
face. Oh shit, Deveniece cried.
That was not funny, Mama. Scary.
Oh, it's
What
super
was
smoky.
that? What was that?
Fireworks.
What was loud as a fish?
Well, you guys.
Where is it?
Mine is crazy. Well, you guys. I don't know if you guys seen Eddie's Sunny's face, but her face was priceless. Woo, her face was priceless.
Why'd you do that? That scared me. That's a girl.
Oh my God.
I jumped so high.
How do you feel? How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that prank that me and Mom just did?
Scared.
Scared?
It means they're funny.
I'm sorry.
By the way, you guys could have broke your laptop.
I'm not even thinking that my laptop is sitting right there on the couch.
Mom,
How'd you feel about that prank?
not funny.
Dude, they all, you guys seen how they all came out their room though? That had me dead as hell. How do you feel about the prank?
I need air.
How do you feel about the prank?
I need air. Me
Mom,
too.
can I get air? No. Yeah, go outside. Is that how you felt? Well, guys, Deveniece is in there screaming to the top of her lungs. That scared her so bad. Now I have to air out my house because, man, that's a lot of smoke. And my baby is crying. And I gotta clean this mess up. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give this a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to comment in the comment sections below. Make sure you watch the full video and then go back and rewatch the video again. Make sure you guys just checked out the last prank that Sammie and Elijah did on me. Make sure you guys follow us on all of our social media sites. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. I will put all that in the description link down below. And yeah, we will see you guys away.